Hello and welcome, it's Chili here, and I'm going to do a creation today that's got some really nice earthy metallic colours in it, and I am thinking it'll be minimalistic, but we'll just see how this goes. So I'll whiz through. My base coat is just my white acrylic paint mixed with my normal pouring medium, the same as all my other paints, and I'll just whiz through this bit of coating my canvas. A layer. Now I'm going to lay some really nice earthy colours in a minimalistic fashion. So this is my burnt umber with a good dash of black in it, because I like to send it really dark, so we'll give that one a probably too thick, but never mind, we'll work with it. This one is my metallic bronze, and we'll go, this is kind of just like a sandy, like a sandy colour. I've got some of the champagne gold. I've got a little bit of something going on in there, a little bit of a gooba. Hoping I kind of get like a, it probably will not turn out like it, but I'm hoping I get like a giraffe colours, I guess. So let's just see a bit more of that. And now this is the metallic pearl. So this is like a pearly white. So I'm hoping this will give it a really nice glisten, because there's so much metallics in there. And I think just some of the metallic gold. Kind of channeling, I guess, the Cos Creations, the lovely Kathleen from Cos Creations, how she does lots and lots of gorgeous swipes. Rightio, I think I'm going to leave it at that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put, all of this has got my pouring medium mixed with my global paints, but just for the swipe I'm going to put, this is the white mixed with Australian Floetrol. I'm just going to put some white in there, but mostly I'm going to do a black line too. So always make sure you give them a really good shake. So I'll go one side first and then the other. So I'm hoping to get, yeah, like a giraffe effect. Got an idea in my head, but whether it comes out. So this is just a soft piece of file divider, so I'm going to just drop my file divider on there and just do a really nice, steady, slow swipe. Oh, look at those. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Just gonna wipe it off in between, so pulling that through just nice and slow. That is absolutely gorgeous. It is just like the bloom effect, I guess because you're using, I mean, I'm using my normal paints, not mixed up with anything, but it's just the Australian Floetrol has just got that bit of magic in it. But what I find that using it with the pouring medium, the Keep It Simple, it just seems to marry perfectly with that pouring medium, and it works amazing. Oh, look at that. That definitely is like a giraffe effect, like the markings on a giraffe. So I'll just turn this right the way around. I know somebody said, I don't like the black line. Well, you can balloon that black line or tilt it out, but I don't want to do that today. So I'm going to put another bit of my swipe colour down here. And we'll go again. So remember just to clean off your swipe in between each swipe. Just saves it going muddy. Nice and slow. That is amazing. Amazing, amazing. That's really... I haven't done these colours for such a long time, and this kind of swipe where it's minimalistic through the centre. I always do like the Wiggles one where it's all over my canvas. That is so awesome. Oh my goodness. It is really the cheater's way of doing a Shelley bloom. I mean, Shelley is awesome at what she does, and she has created something really special. So I kind of feel like this is the cheater's version of it, because it's just with ordinary painter's acrylic paint, no house paint involved, or no other magic remedy except the Australian Floetrol. But that is beautiful. I haven't even put any heat on it yet, so let's see how we go with this.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. Absolutely love it. I'm going to bring you down because this is so special. I think it is.
Just look at that. That definitely is like the markings of a giraffe. And now the cells are starting to pop through, and the definite metallics are coming through in the black. So it actually does look beautiful as well. I don't mind that at all. But look at this cell reaction. I have really believed that the kiss pouring medium mixed with my paints and just that swipe, it just is a match made in heaven. Look at that. It's got all the glistening through there. Look at these cells. Just bonkers. Bonkers, bonkers. Wow. I am so happy with that. I sort of, I don't know if I could put the shape of a giraffe's in there. I don't know, I'll have a think about that. But you know what, I'm just going to leave that. That is gorgeous as it is. I might have a think about it if I can. I mean, it would be lovely to draw something in it. But the colours are stunning, the cells are stunning. I just love it. Definite, like, reflection swipe is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, I hope you like it, guys. I'm really, really happy with that. Hope you got those colours there that I put in, because they really are a match made in heaven, and I didn't have to use many of them to get that awesome effect. So for now, I will say bye for now and catch you again tomorrow.